Okay, thanks for joining me today. I want to share a little story that happened to me. I was on the way to a tech event in Byron Bay, and the tech event was around startups and AI, a very appropriate topic for myself. What I want to share with you was not what was going on there, although they did suggest that possibly there will be a single-handed billionaire in the next 10 years. I.e., they mean that somebody by themselves plus AI will make $1 billion in their business without a team. And they're like, yeah, this is going to happen. The other thing that they spoke about was personalized marketing, that with AI, we're going to be able to have very, very personalized marketing. Now, before that talk, though, on the way there, having been through the journey over the last 4 videos, I was driving, it's like, you know what? This thing is so fast. I wonder whether all of these videos could be reduced to a single one. Not only the video, but in actual fact, just having one magic board for the creation of the avatar, the creation of the journey, the creation of the products, if they don't already exist, and the creation of the offer. Now this came to me, I think looking at Offer Magic that I did took 24 minutes and versus Offer Magic AI that took about 90 seconds, and the quality potentially better with the AI. And you might say, well, that's because you're not a very good marketer, and I get that. That's okay. I accept that. But what was powerful to me was something that took 24 minutes just by me could be done in 90 seconds. Could we condense this entire experience of the last 4 videos, or really last 3, if we look at AI customer journey, AI offer, and AI customer avatar, or dream customer avatar. Let's get it right there. Let's bring that back in and actually have a look. So what I'm talking about here is we're going to get rid of all manual. I'm just going to archive that and see whether we could bring these in. Now, there is a question mark here that I'll bring up, and that is that in our work so far, we've been using Bhakti-Yatsu, and Bhakti-Yatsu already has its products defined. And that could be a question mark. Is there products already? Probably in an established business, absolutely. They're going to have their products. Could they create new ones? Yes. And for a startup, yes, they may not have products at all. But we're going to test today, and I hope you'll stick around for this because this is kind of interesting. Can we build out an entire marketing stack with one single magic board? And what this opens up is that we can have very specific marketing. Instead of having to cover dry needling and acupuncture training for naturopaths, osteopaths, chiropractors, and physiotherapists, we could have specific pages. If you are a naturopath who does dry needling and you want to get better, if you are a physiotherapist and you want to get better at it, if you are an osteopath who does dry needling and you want to get better at it, you get the idea that these are very specific. And this can be done because the workload is getting done. Well, let's go 90 seconds versus 24 minutes. Whatever that is, 1.5 versus 24, it's like at least 15 times faster, if my maths holds up, maybe 14 times faster. So we're going to be able to generate, if we can not only do all of this piece fast, but everything subsequent as well, which means the ads and the content and the funnels and the fulfillment can all be done quickly as well, and actually not just created, but deployed, then there's a real opportunity here to see how we are heading into the age of personalized AI. And of course, all of this work that I'm doing, the Magic Boards work, could also be handled by AI, but we're not there right now. If we have that, now we're talking about, hey, can you build out a marketing stack and a product stack and the ads and the funnel and the products for this specific person, and the AI would go ahead and do all that. And suddenly the possibility that a single person having $1 billion business becomes a possibility. It's wild. But if the AI can do what I'm doing running AIs, which it can. These are referred to as AI agents, but they have a specific structure that they can use, like magic boards. Then we might be able to enter into a place where a very large amount of work can be done effectively. Let's have a look. I'm going to try this out. So we're still in marketing. I'm just going to call it create marketing stack, because it's kind of like this stack of avatar, journey, products, or product suite. So that could be experiences, that could be services, offer. So still nothing actually deployed, but I'm going to create this fast start. So you can see straight away, if you're not familiar with the fast start, we've got the processes up the top, the results at the bottom, just like every magic board, same structure. I always like to start with my results that I want. I'm going to want an avatar. I'm going to want a journey for them, my avatar's journey. I'm going to want a product suite. Now this could be defined already, and it is in the case of Bhakti Yatsu, but if we're just beginning or we're adding new products, then it may not be. And then finally, we've got an offer. So with that in place, it's going to be a pretty straight build out, I think. I mean, even through to the AI prompts. I don't know whether we're going to need to split them or not, but we're going to need to, just thinking about our avatar, what did we do? Well, really, we needed to define who they were and then get the AI to create the problems for them. Let's have a look at what that actually was. Dream, identify three. There was a little bit of work here for me. I don't think we need the Google search because that all got deleted out. The AI already knew that stuff. All right, initial avatar prompt. So I'm going to need to fill that in a bit. I'm going to get rid of this market check. It's a little bit risky. Obviously, if you're building to a dead market, it may not work very well, but I'm going to assume that if you're at this level, that you know what you're doing to a degree, that you're not selling to newspapers, basic demographics, document. Okay, let's have a look here. I think this was all prompt. I'm just going to get rid of all of those and we're just going to go. We might do that. Create some prompts here. Avatar name and image. It's not quite a prompt, but please create a suitable avatar name and image for my avatar. Dump. Okay, we've got a prompt there. And then finally, we're just going to grab this entire psychographics here. Just going to tidy it up a little bit, bring it all into a smaller font. Copy. Let's get out of here and come back here. And then avatar psychographics. So this is all the problems, the questions, the obstacles that they've got. So I'm doing a little bit of work up front, and then we're getting it to create the avatar name and the psychographics. I mean, that prompt at the beginning, don't know, but we might be able to expand on that or play with that and see what happens. Next up, well, I'm just going to go journey. Let's just see what happens off a stack, because it's all coming from here. So we've got the journey prompt. Let's go and grab that. It's kind of exciting to see whether this thing's actually going to work, what we get. Where's my prompt? Where's my prompt? Paste in prompt. I'm just going to drop that in here, save, come over here. I'm going to put that in the prompt here. Kind of exciting. Boom. I've now got a journey prompt. ooh, you know what? I'm actually going to split out I wonder whether we could put journey prompt in there. I'm just going to move that up because that is not. Let's go product stack, product suite. If have products, complete and use this prompt. Here is a list of my current products and services that I have. And we'll just go product one. I'm going to have to complete all my products. If I do not, if do not have products, use this prompt. Now this ideally would reference work from Alex Hormozi, $100 million offer. Please create a list of possible products and services for each of my avatar's problems. Okay, we'll just try that. That is pretty non-specific, but anyway, we'll see whether it works. Okay, we've got our, so this would give us our journey. We've got that. Now we don't even have the products listed. And then finally, we've got our offer. Now I'm just going to combine this whole thing into this. Let's type this into there. Okay, cool. I don't know whether you noticed, but it doesn't seem to matter too much whether you have a very clear picture of the punctuation. Create offer. Oop. Okay. Offer prompt. Let's see where this is going. Boom. Okay, let's say, please set a value. Please aim for a total value of X. Please aim for initial price of X, and please aim for final price of X. So that should hopefully give it some idea. Don't know whether we need to do that. We've got a X peaceful list for a list of X. Okay, cool. Core products, bonus products, value versus price, price drop reason, scarcity method. Let's tidy all of this up just to give it some context. Guarantee, type of guarantee, description of guarantee. Okay, so we've got our template prompts in place. Let's go ahead and drop these into our results here. Initial avatar prompt. Initial avatar. Then we've got our avatar name and image. I think. Yep. Cool. Then we've got our avatar psychographics. Okay, so we've just built this board to deploy. We're getting close here. Donk. Journey prompt. Is that their journey? Yep. It's their journey. Product suite. Have products. Suite. Create products. You know, if we have the products, we don't really need that as an outcome. Maybe we do. I'll put it in there. Save. If we don't have products, save. And then finally, our final offer. Okay, cool. So basically we've put all of these prompts in here. Pretty much ready to go here.